Thinking about intrauterine insemination? Understanding IUI success rates is key. Let's explore the numbers, factors, and tips for a successful journey. IUI success rates measure the percentage of couples achieving pregnancy through this fertility treatment. It varies, averaging 10 to 20% per cycle. Age, fertility issues, sperm quality, and timing impact success. Here's a breakdown. Under 35, 15 to 20% success. Over 40, 5% or lower. Fertility issues, like unexplained infertility, also play a role. Optimal sperm quality is crucial. Count, motility, and morphology matter. Proper timing with ovulation is critical for success, ideally within 24 to 36 hours. Boost your chances. Lifestyle changes, expert guidance, and healthy choices make a difference. Ready to embark on your fertility journey? Click the link in our bio to schedule your free 15-minute session with our fertility concierge. Fertility Cloud, the most convenient fertility care.